So good luck, bad luck, who knows? It's a story of an old Chinese farmer who lived many years ago, and he had one horse, an old horse, that he used to plough his fields. One day the horse ran away into the hills, and everybody said, "We are so sorry for your bad luck." And the old man replied, "Bad luck, good luck, who knows?" A week later, the horse returned with a herd of wild horses, which now belonged to the old man. And everybody said, "We are so happy for your good luck." And the old man replied, "Good luck, bad luck, who knows?" And then later, while his only son was riding one of the wild horses, he fell off, broke his leg. And everybody said to him, "That's such bad luck." And the old man replied, "Bad luck, good luck, who knows?" And then one day the army came to the village and took all the strong young men to be soldiers in the emperor. And only the old farmer's son was spared because he couldn't fight with a broken leg. And everybody said, "What good luck." And again, the farmer said, "Good luck, bad luck, who knows?" So I like to share this because we never know what is good luck, what is bad luck. It's all really how we perceive it, and something in the future we might be like looking back at it and saying, "Thank goodness that happened," because otherwise this wouldn't have happened now. So that's really as well with the meditation, what we're trying to just accept things as they are, not perceiving them as good, not perceiving them as bad, just allowing them to happen and just knowing that's kind of part of our lives.